guys, welcome to my channel, Miss I98. My name is Alexis, and if you guys want to see how to get this fall makeup look with no foundation using Morphe X James Charles palette, then let's get started with this tutorial. So I'm first going to start off with my lip oil, and I'm just going to be putting that all over my lips. And after that's done, I'm going to grab my concealer and add it to my eyelids. And then just grab a beauty sponge and blend it all together. Once my eyebrows are all blended, I'm going to grab my spoolie brush and just brush my eyebrows up and arch them. And here it is, you guys, Morphe X James Charles palette. I was so excited for this palette, you guys. Look at all these beautiful shades it has. It has a bunch of varieties to choose from. Here is a closer look of the shades. For today's fall look, I'm going to be grabbing the shade Punch Me and add that all over the crease of my eyelid. To add more depth to my eyelids, I'm going to be grabbing the shade No Beans and add that to the outer V of my eyelid and just blend it out. After it's all blended out, I'm going to grab the next shade called Tea and add that to my lid as well as the outer corner of your eyelid and blend it out. Now to the shimmers, I'm going to be grabbing Wig and I'm going to be adding that in the center of my eyelid. The next shimmer I'm going to grab is going to be So Good, and I'm also going to be adding that in the center. To make this eyeshadow look complete, we're going to be grabbing our e.l.f. glitter in the shade 24 Karat Gold. And we're just going to be adding that on top of the two shimmers so it can just make it pop a little bit more. After that, I'm going to be adding the eyeshadows to my lower lash line, which I'm going to grab Punch Me, No Beans, and Tea, and just blend that all over. If you guys are enjoying this makeup tutorial, I have a playlist on my makeup looks if you guys want to check that out. But if you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and post notifications so you guys won't miss every time I upload a video. After my eyeshadows are all blended out, I'm going to grab my eyeliner and add that to my eyelids. I actually forgot the name of this eyeliner, you guys, I'm so sorry. But I'll make sure to link all the makeups I use in the description box down below. After my eyeliner is done, I'm going to be grabbing this e.l.f. black eyeliner and I'm going to be putting that on my waterline. And I'm going to grab my Dramatic mascara from Ayani in the shade Black and add 2 coats of that to my eyelashes. For highlighter, I'm going to be using Fruity Pebbles X Revolution highlighter. I want to tell you guys, this highlighter is so pretty. Now we're going to be going in with some blush. I'm going to be using Doja Cat Floral Poppy, and I'm going to be using the center shade and L'Oreal Paris shimmering blush, and add those both to my cheeks. Now on to our lips. We are going to be adding this eye pencil. I just use an eye pencil in the shade Auburn, and I'm just going to be adding that all over my lips. After my lips are all blended, I'm going to be going in with my Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick from L'Oreal Paris in the shade 844 Sweet Tooth, and add that in the center of my lips and blend it out. And for lip gloss, I'm going to be going in the NYX Professional Makeup Butter Gloss in the shade Cinnamon Roll, and add that gloss all over my lips. Here's the final look, you guys. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys rate this from 1 to 10. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Bye!